Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use your iPhone as a magnifying glass. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to the settings. In the settings, you need to scroll down and you need to select this accessibility. And after, you can see here a magnifier. Just tap on this. Now you need to turn on this option as magnifier, turn this on, and auto access exposure so that you get a clear pictures, so that you turn on this. And to open the magnifying applications, what you need to do, you need to press this home button 3 times if you have older iPhones, and if you have a iPhone 10 or newer versions like the iPhone 10 or 11 Max Pro, then you need to tap the right side button for the 3 times. You will get a right side button on those newer iPhones. You need to press those right side button 3 times to open this magnifying applications. So we'll move back to the home, and now what you need to do is you need to press this home button 3 times if you have a older iPhone. So in my case, I'm using an iPhone SE, the older iPhone. So if you're using iPhone 10 or iPhone 10, 11 or whatever newer versions iPhone, then press the right side button 3 times, right side button. You'll get the right side button. But in my case, I'm having a home button. So I'll be pressing the home button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the magnifying glass started. So let me show you how it works. So here is some papers. Let me show you. So you can see it acts like the magnifying glass, and if you want to increase the size, just slide this and you can see it in much bigger size. It acts as a magnifying glass, as you can see. If you want to use your iPhone as a magnifying glass, then you enable these options and you can get the magnifying effects in your any iPhone devices. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.